Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can reset your password for Bank of America's online banking. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated as well. So let's get started. So first you go to Google and you search for Bank of America. Then you go to bankofamerica.com, the official website for this bank. And over here on the left, you can see this option to log in. And down there, you can see the option forgot ID or passcode. So you'll click there. And after that, for you have to do the process to reset your password is you either enter your card or account number, the last 6 digits of your card or account number. Then you also enter your social security number or your taxpayer identification number. So after you do that, you will click on continue, and after that you'll have to verify. For that, you will either choose to receive a code through your mobile phone or your email address, and after you enter that, you'll be sent a code to either of those, and you enter the code on the website, and after entering that, you will be able to reset your password, and then you can log in. The process is complete, and you can log in and start into online banking again. So it's a very easy process. I hope this video really helps you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to leave a like on this video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys.